And we are back with another absolute banger of a video.
I was literally gonna say that. This is the last and final part of our boyfriend versus girlfriend rematch on who can build a better looking car for $4,000 or less. And
obviously it's me, I mean.
It's not just the better looking car, it's building the same car. But
I think they know that.
Yeah. Anyways, well, it's the last and final part. We have a lot to update you guys on.
So we didn't film for like a few days, and in those few days, Christina knocked out a few things. I knocked out a few things like finishing my wrap as well. I tinted my windows.
You put your wheels on.
I put my wheels on.
My wheels on.
So
they were my wheels, okay?
I paid you this time.
He paid me this time.
So let's update you guys and show you guys what we did.
Yeah.
Finally got pretty much 99% of the car wrapped. We have the windows tinted with a mirror chrome finish. What's up? Ooh, okay. We did chrome on the windows. We did chrome wheels. So these were Christina's old monoblock wheels for, what did you buy these for? What?
It doesn't matter, I got good taste.
Coming around to the back of the car, I think you guys are all up to date on the back. We did the spoiler, we did a diffuser, and we smoked out the taillights. So yeah, I mean, the car is pretty much finished. Today though, well, today we're gonna be installing, I don't wanna say installing an exhaust. We're gonna be uninstalling the stock exhaust. As I'm sure a lot of you guys know, I once customized and I still own a SL550, which is essentially the same engine as this, but it's, I guess, half a liter larger. It's a 5.5 liter V8 instead of the 5 liter V8. And that car, I deleted the muffler on and it sounded amazing. Usually muffler deletes are a hit or miss, but it sounded absolutely amazing on that car. So we're gonna be doing the same thing to my CLK today. What are you installing today, Miss Ma'am?
You'll see.
Very good then. So let's do a quick unboxing of what we're working with. As I mentioned already, we're doing an exhaust or undoing an exhaust. We're gonna need to get the tips re-welded on. So here is the passenger side tips for the right side of the car. So yeah, we're gonna have these installed so that the car looks symmetrical, and that's about it.
Anyways, I am so sorry for all of that. You guys, my homies at Unique Style Racing. Okay, long story short, this is what I'm installing. Clear lenses, I know, they're gonna look so good. But basically, I have been searching for probably like 3-4 weeks straight now. I was looking for some Euro style taillights and no one sells them anymore. I keep seeing some pictures on Google Images, but I couldn't see any store that actually sold them. So I saw that Unique Style Racing used to sell them, but they said out of stock. Hit them up and they said, we actually don't sell those anymore. We discontinued them, but let me just check our warehouse real quick to see if we might have some laying around. And of course, just my luck, just Team Christina's luck, they had one last set sitting around and they said, we'll just send it over. So I got them for free. They hooked it up. And our car is literally gonna win. We are in the lead right now.
Whoa. You're getting a little ahead of yourself here now. I don't know about the winning and everything, but I will say, those are actually really nice, I'm not gonna lie.
It's literally gonna make the car because the red is clashing with the pink way too much, and you guys are gonna see.
I'm not gonna lie, those would look amazing on my car.
Too bad. Too bad. They're the last set in the whole nation right now.
Or world. Yeah, I did look for those like when we were buying our parts for our cars and I couldn't find them anywhere, so I was like, whatever, I'll just smoke my taillights, but
I got lucky. Mine are not only clear lenses, they're smoked out as well.
I'll give credit where credit's due. Those are pretty freaking nice, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm not worried. Let's get to installing.
Look at that! Oh my gosh! I'm so excited. I already told you guys. Free! Yeah!
120.
120?
Getting close. Somebody in the video add it up and comment down below.
I'm not going over budget, that's for sure.
So this is what I was talking about. We have the new carbon fiber diffuser, but we only have a single exit exhaust, as that is what comes stock on the car. So we have another port here. Since we have to fix that anyways, we might as well take the muffler off. But I think before we get too far with anything, we should do a quick cold start just to see how it sounds right now, so we can get that before and after. If you guys did hear a little whining noise, that was coming from The power steering pump in the front is going out, so I am going to be taking this car to the shop once we finish up doing the competition series, and I'm going to be getting it cleaned up and ready to go to send off to the new owner. As you can see, the only thing I have left to wrap is this door and the mirror, but everything else is wrapped. And this car, it looks really good. Like, I've never been one for chrome tints and chrome wheels and like mono blocks, but like this thing's kind of pimping, dude. Like, straight up, that's like a baller car right there. I can't even lie. So I'm gonna enjoy it for the few weeks that I have it. But one of you guys are gonna own this car. If you do want to enter the giveaway for either car, you can go to grantsloan.shop or shop.ChristinaRoki.com. Every dollar spent is one entry into the giveaway, and I'll also cast your vote for Team Grant or Team Christina.
Before I move any further, I want to show you guys a quick before with these taillights, and yeah. All right guys, so the new and rare, if you want to call it, taillights from Unique Style Racing are in, and they look so good, but we have a bigger problem in our hands because they told me that they might not work since they've been sitting around for a very long time. I don't want that to happen. Everything plugged in perfectly fine. It was literally just one wire plug and everything fits flush as you see, but I'm gonna go test out and see if they actually work. So first things first, let's just, I'm scared. I'm so scared right now, literally. Let's just see if the unlock and lock turns something on. Okay, that's just a halogen bulb. Anything?
No. Oh, okay.
They turned on?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, let me try the brakes. That's more important than this.
Yeah. Nice.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, thank goodness.
Do you want to come see it for yourself?
Now I get to see them. I'm so happy, dude. I got so lucky.
Running lights.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that looks so much better. So much better. Let me see the brakes.
Brakes.
Oh my goodness. Yes. That looks so good. USR, I think is the short form name. Oh yeah, and they gave me stickers, guys. I found these in the box. So yeah, USR, they do a bunch of taillights, LED taillights and headlights and a lot of lighting stuff, aftermarket parts. Definitely check them out because, dude, give them a thank you from me, please.
Anyways, we jacked up the car on one side, so all we have to do is cut it and we're gonna be good to go. So let's get cutting. Got my Sawzall and my angle grinder from Hart Tools. Look at that. But here we have it, the clean cut. That's probably one of my better cuts that I've done, I'm not gonna lie. This is what it looks like under the car now, so we're gonna have to have a Y pipe, which splits off into two ends. But now that the exhaust, or the muffler I guess, is off of the car, you know what that calls for. Let's hear how it sounds now. This is a warm start, but let's see. It's the last and final day.
Why do I feel like we've said this already? But
probably, yeah.
Last part, last video, you guys would see the final results. I'll just break it to you guys. My final package arrived. The reason why we were so late on uploading is because we were waiting for this package to arrive, and it finally came in, and it's a front lip for my front bumper. So
This is a front lip?
it's in a couple different pieces, but just trust the process.
What, they cut it up in the factory to save on shipping costs?
But also, FedEx left me a nice little note on the box.
I actually have a nice and funny update for you. So you know how FedEx has been Team Christina, oh, go Christina, we love you Team Christina. One sec. Go Grant, go. FedEx, switch to Team Grant because they already know what's up.
No, but this just got dropped off.
And not only did they switch to Team Grant, but they also delayed her package on purpose. So
I got this today, so this was the most recent message from FedEx.
So like, can we see what you're talking about exactly right now?
Yes, of course,
How this front lip is in a box that's about 1 foot by 2 inches.
This is the first part. I think these are the sides. Oh shoot, this is the front. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, front.
I'm getting really nervous here.
I am too. Stop. The sides.
Oh, she's got that active arrow.
Hey, I didn't want to copy you and get the same exact one because I'm not gonna lie, yours does look pretty nice.
Well, oh, can you say that again a little louder?
No. And then
4K,
this is the other
60
side,
frames per
guys.
second.
This is the other side, okay?
Meanwhile, we are going to be installing these right here. So these are some LED license plate lights. We're gonna install them. Super easy install. It's just 2 Phillips head screws and we're good to go. So we closed the garage just so we can get a quick before on the license plate lights. This is what it's looking like. We got one halogen, the other one's out. So that's why it's like, you know, let's do a quick bonus part. We're gonna go ahead and throw those in real quick. I do have my mini little heart tools. I don't even know what you wanna call this, but it's actually so handy. It has a little Phillips head and you can swap it out for a flat head, and it's just electronic little thingy. So we're gonna use this, pull the old ones out and drop in the new one.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys right now. Not the happiest because I don't like my front lip. It's like a Mercedes universal front lip I got, and I just don't like the way it's looking on the car. This is the part I don't like, right here. It's not nice.
You would think Christina and I would be better at this, given we do this for a living, but she's not happy with her front lip, and apparently I messed up license plate lights, which I didn't even know you could do. They said they're for the CLK W209. And these are the old ones right here. As you can see, basically the metal on each side of the bulb connects to a ground and positive on the car itself. Whereas the ones I ordered have, I don't know if you guys can really see that because it's in the plastic bag. 1, they're way too long. 2, they're not even the right shape. And 3, there is a wire harness connecting point instead of a ground and positive. However, I did some digging and I found some, I think they're type C maybe? Or maybe type M LED bulbs, and I think these will fit inside of here. So we're gonna try that and hope for the best. There we go. So we popped the old bulb out, popped in the new one. Hopefully it works. We'll see, fingers crossed. Now we are in business. That is 10 times better. You can barely even see the other one. That's just not even visible, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then I'm gonna hand you off to Christina. Or what are you doing here?
Right now, I decided that I started aligning the, what do you want to call them, the side canards a little bit better.
Yes.
And I think I have a way to make it work for now, at least until the voting is done. And then I'm probably going to take it off and get one of yours. Because I think I like the look of yours better.
Little coffee cat action over here.
So, yeah.
Alrighty. Well, we'll see how it looks. I don't know. I mean, I don't have the highest expectations, but...
Yeah, I'm very disappointed, to say the least.
Yeah, but we'll see. Bro, even FedEx knows that we're crushing Christina.
Oh, is that what it means?
All right. And here is the final results. Way, 10 times, a million times brighter, even as going onto the floor. So now we're chilling at nighttime. I'm happy. Our cars are both pretty much finished, and feels good. Every time you finish doing a build, it feels good. It feels rewarding, especially when it turns out good. So Christina probably can't relate. Dang. It was a joke. Dude, that doesn't look bad, Christina. I'm not gonna lie to you right now.
I'm very insecure about it, to say the least.
Like, yeah, it's not this nice, of course, but okay, I'll put it this way. It's not the best looking front splitter I've ever seen, especially with the side, but I will say this. Your car looks much worse without it. That is what I will say, and that's what I'll leave it at.
That's true.
All right, well, you know what that means, ladies and gentlemen. Let's pull the cars out and see, I guess, what we've done to each car. Do kind of a quick in-depth overview of all the mods that we've done, show the before and afters. And the first thing that I did is this modification right here. I did a muffler delete, and I also did quad tips coming out of both sides, or I guess, yeah, it's quad tips, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car out and we'll go over everything else. So as you guys just saw, that was the muffler delete. This is a naturally aspirated 5-liter V8. So it already sounds really good. We took that big muffler box off of the back. And while we did that, we also went from a single exit exhaust off of the driver's side to a dual exit exhaust. So we had a Y pipe welded on, came out the side, both ends. And we did that especially because we installed a carbon fiber diffuser right here, and the carbon fiber diffuser had an exhaust port on the passenger side as well. So we were kind of left with no choice but to do that, but I think it just made that rear end look all the more better, cleaned it up and brought it all together. And to match the carbon fiber diffuser, we have a carbon fiber spoiler that we did. Of course, we went with the matte green wrap. It's like a really dark matte emerald green from Vinyl Frog, and it looks absolutely amazing. It's honestly probably my favorite wrap that I've ever done, but it is my first time working with a matte finish. I've always done metallic or gloss. And of course, to complement that, we have the really obnoxious and bright reflective chrome window tint. Now, funny enough, the goal behind the window tint, as I had mentioned before, was to actually match the tint to the wheels. However, this car from the factory has a natural blue hue to the glass. And even though it was a fishbowl and there was no tint at all before, that blue hue turned the tint kind of green, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. It still looks really crazy. And then for the shoes, we went with Christina's chrome monoblock wheels. I used to have these on my parents. They brought home a CLK 430 when I was about 13 years old. I hated the wheels. They were just, I didn't like them. But then as I grew up, my love for them grew as well. And now I have some chrome monoblock wheels on my CLK as well. Funny how that comes full circle. I'm yapping a lot, but we are almost done. On the front end, we did new clear lenses because the old ones were completely cracked and foggy. We did a new front grille. We also did a front splitter, which is also universal, but thankfully it turned out a little better than Christina's over there. That's really it, I think. I mean, there's a few small things that I'm missing, of course. You know, we smoked the taillights and things like that. But overall, that is what we did to the exterior. All cosmetic modifications, except for maybe the muffler delete. In terms of the interior, I need to fix the door lock actuator. Power steering pump is going bad, so I need to fix that as well. But the interior really doesn't need anything. The gray matches the exterior beautifully. And we're gonna detail the interior before we select a winner for the car giveaway. So if you guys want to enter for a chance to win this car, you can go over to grantsloan.shop, and every dollar spent on that website is one entry into the giveaway. But ladies and gentlemen, that's Team Grant's build right there. I'm super happy with it, and it turned out absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna hand you off to Christina. You forgot one more thing on the car, Christina.
I know. Okay, final touch, guys. Final touch. Ta-da!
All right, speed tour, go.
Speed tour! Okay, I got it. Wait, I gotta prepare myself for it.
This is the garage. You know what I'm talking about.
This is the garage!
On you.
No, this is the speed tour for the CLK 50. Wait, you only start the timer when I say, let's get started, okay? And then that's when you get started, okay?
Yeah.
This is the speed tour of my CLK 500. Let's get started! Starting off with the taillights, very rare taillights, spoiler wrapped, car's fully wrapped in pink, brand new, I don't know, Vinyl Frog pink. And then I got some black satin wheels. I did a full chrome delete, got some 20% on the sides. Where is the cameraman? I did a chrome delete on the front grille, added a front lip, added some black headlights that I got for $200 on a bid I won. Got inside the interior, did a chrome delete, wood trim delete on the inside, added a nice little pink touch. Stay with me, cameraman! I think that's it.
Is that everything? Oh, we got it. You did it in under 30 seconds.
Oh, and the brake light.
And the blackout. You blacked out the chrome.
I said that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Woo. Rate your car on a scale of 1 to 10. Go.
8.2.
8.2. All right. I rate mine a 8.7. Just so I can rate it a little higher than yours.